Hello, and welcome to another episode in the Bosch Rexroth Compu-Spread training series. Today we are going to cover updating the RC firmware on the Compu-Spread CS-660. This video will cover a firmware update on an RC4-5 controller, but the same steps will apply for an RC28-14. Now let's jump in and get started. First, we will need to prepare the firmware files on a laptop or computer. These may be provided on a USB key or downloaded via a Dropbox link. If downloaded, ensure to extract any zipped files before transferring them. Insert a USB program key into your laptop or computer. The USB drive will be labeled PGM, and the part number is R987514065. In the main folder of the program key, ensure that a 660 firmware folder exists. If not, it can be created by right-clicking in the main folder and selecting New Folder. The folder must be named 660 Firmware, no spaces. Transfer the latest firmware files to this folder. They will be hex files and labeled with a build number. There are separate build files for an RC4-5 or RC28-14. Once transferred to the program key, it is a good standard practice to then right-click on the USB key and select Eject before removing the drive. Before we move to the truck, always remember, safety first. Ensure the vehicle you are about to work on is in a safe condition, safe location, and not running. Now, let's move to the truck. Ensure that all connections are set up per the system drawing and the display is connected to the RC via the CAN network. Power on the display. From the operator screen, insert the program key we prepared in the previous steps. Press and hold the lock icon at the top of the display for a few seconds to enter setup mode. Once in setup mode, select the toolbox icon to go to the parameters menu. Take note that the top right portion of the screen will display the active firmware builds. The display firmware is labeled OI and the RC firmware is labeled RC. Select Upgrade RC. The system will scan for devices. This may take a minute or so. Once a device is found, select the RC to be upgraded from the drop-down menu. Select Start. From this menu, we will select the latest firmware file that was loaded onto the program key earlier. Confirm by pressing Select. The upgrade will now perform. This may take a minute or so. Take note of the message in red on the display. Do not restart or cycle power while the upgrade is in progress. Once complete, the display will state that the upgrade is finished and the red text will show that a reboot is required. Cycle power to complete the upgrade. This concludes today's episode and thank you very much for watching.